White and learn ABC Magic Lane.
ABC, come learn with me. School items A to Z. Books and pens and crayons bright. Learning is fun from day to night. A is for art book, color so bright. Pages filled with drawings, oh what a sight. B is for backpack, ready to go. Holding our school things row by row. C is for crayons, red, blue, green. Coloring pictures bright and clean. D is for desk, sturdy and neat. Where we write and take our seat. E is for eraser, rub, rub away. Fixing mistakes every day. F is for folder, papers inside. Keeping our work organized. A, B, C, come learn with me. School items A to Z. Books and pens and crayons bright. Learning is fun from day to night. G is for globe, spinning around. Showing every country and town. H is for highlighter, glowing line. Making our notes look super fine. I is for ink pen, writing smooth. Letters and words we quickly improve. J is for journal, stories we write. Daytime thoughts or dreams at night. K is for keyboard, typing fast. Learning to type, slow to fast. L is for lunchbox, yummy and sweet. Holding our favorite food to eat. A, B, C, come learn with me. School items A to Z. Books and pens and crayons bright. Learning is fun from day to night. M is for marker, colorful tips. Drawing designs with steady grips. N is for notebook, pages to turn. Writing new things we learn and learn. O is for office paper, crisp and white. Perfect for drawing or notes we write. P is for pencil, sharp and ready. Writing letters nice and steady. Q is for quiz sheet, questions to try. Testing what we learned, give it a try. R is for ruler, measure and draw. Straight little lines without a flaw. A, B, C, come learn with me. School items A to Z. Books and pens and crayons bright. Learning is fun from day to night. S is for scissors, snip, snip away. Cutting paper shapes all day. T is for tablet, screen so bright. Learning apps that feel just right. U is for uniform, neat and clean. Wearing it daily, proud and keen. V is for vellum, thin and clear. Tracing drawings without fear. W is for water bottle, take a sip. Stay hydrated on every trip. X is for sonophone, music in class. Playing notes with tap, tap, taps. Y is for yellow pad,